Hello, my name is Robert Brooks. The class is Java 1, and this is my video project review or my video review for Project 1. In this video, I'm going to go over the application that I built for Project 1 and go over some difficulties that I had with building the application and some different functions of my application. First, let me take you through the application real quick. It's a pretty simple application. The user inputs text, so we'll just put my name in there, submit. You'll notice that if I try and type my name in there again, it will, oops, sorry, that one did because it had one extra, but if I try and type my name in there a second time, then you notice nothing will happen. It's because that only unique entries are allowed to be stored. If you look here at the bottom, this is the number of entries that are in the data collection or in the list view here as well. And this is the average of the length of each element in the data collection or in the list view here. If you click on the list view, if you click on any item in the list view from the data collection, it will bring the element or whatever is in the element will be displayed in a user alert. So you do have to press OK to dismiss it, so it has to be acknowledged. Same thing here. Really, that's it. So I'll go over the code next. The structure and efficiency due to the project. I mean, there wasn't a lot of. It wasn't a huge project, so it was. The structure was pretty simple to keep it clean and neat. There's not a lot of things that are being repeated. What I did do is create a custom function for calculating the average of the element of the average length of each element in the data collection, and I put that in where I put that in when you submit the button, so it calculates the average every time upon submission. The user input, I used a text view. And for them to put information in there. The hardest thing for me on this project was figuring out what kind of data collection to use to display, number one, display the information and do the functionality and have the functionality that was required in the project. I messed around with a hash set, a regular array, and I found that an array list was the best possible thing for me to use. And what I did for only storing unique values is I just did it if, after the button is clicked, I did a check here for multiple duplicates. So if there was if someone tries to type a word in twice, then it won't let you. So that was a pretty simple just check there. I put the contents of the array list into an array adapter and displayed it in the list view. That's where the array list really comes handy, is being able to display it. So that was the data collection. That was the hardest part, but once I decided to go with the array list, then it was fairly straightforward from there. As far as the user experience goes, the alert methods were fairly simple, fairly straightforward to create. Pulling the information from the data collection was very easy using an array list. It was very nice. It has a lot of good abilities using the array list that some of the other data collection things do not have. Other than that, that was pretty much the hardest part. Other than that, I really had fun with this, and I look forward to next week. Thank you very much.